In this video, I want to talk about how you can use Webull. So you can download the app, or you can use the website, or you can also download the desktop version if you go to webull.com and you go to the desktop app. Then from in here, if you want to just use the website, you can go to the web trader. Inside of here is where you'll be able to do all of the trading and the investing. Now, if you're not located in Australia, US or Canada, I believe, you cannot open an account and buy stuff, but you can still do paper trading. So in this case, I'll just do paper trading to show you guys, but it's the same thing if you're on a real account. So you just want to find the stock that you want to trade, and let me open up the paper trader. And once you found the stock you want to trade, so let me just find any stock. Let's search for Apple. You want to open it up. And then what you can do from in there, you can press buy here on your order and you can buy the order, and you will also be able to sell it from in here. So on your paper trade account, you can see I have my Apple here and I'll be able to buy it if I want to. And there's also many different things that you can see here. So you can download the app right here. And once you've downloaded this, you will be able to do it directly from inside of the app instead of using the website. But basically, this is pretty simple, guys. There will be options, there will be stocks. In here is all the different markets that you can see. And you can see the top gainers, top losses. You will also be able to check for the screener in here, where you can search and filter everything that you want. And if you want, you can double click on it to open up the chart, and you'll be able to trade it from in here. Now, I suggest if you're on your desktop, you download the desktop version, so don't use the website. And if you're on your phone, just download the app. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.